live in a country
Yeah.
of great faiths. You are part of a creative space that very often expresses stories through faith. You're a committed rationalist. You know, if we see the finiteness of faith, would you accept that there's a finiteness to just reason as well?
First of all, I think before starting any discussion, one should always decide on the meaning of words. Maybe you mean something by faith and I am understanding something else. What is faith? And what is the difference between faith and belief? I believe I am in Goa. I believe there is a place called North Pole. I believe that Ethiopia is a poor country. I believe that Germany is a rich country. Is it my faith? Why it is not my faith? I'll tell you why it is not my faith and why it is my belief, because it is reasonable. Anything, any belief which is devoid of logic, reason, rational, evidence, witness, that is faith. Anything which is devoid of all the logic, all the reason, all the ration, all the witness, all the evidence, that is faith. And I really wondered what is the difference between faith and stupidity, because that is, stupidity has the same definition. I am willing to accept belief, but it has to have some rationale, some reason. If you don't have any, you disarm me from reason, logic. Now, when you say that whatever a mind is accumulated, my body is accumulated, that is not me. It is like saying that as long as you can peel the onion, you are not finding the onion. These skins are the onion. This accumulation is me. If you eradicate this accumulation, I don't exist. That's all.
Javed Saab.
I think I should respond to this.
Okay, all right.
Now, you being in Nagpur right now, for sure is your belief. But you being in Goa right now is a reality, which you better grasp.
Sadhguruji, just give me a moment. There's a reverberation here and we can't really hear each other. Could you just turn the speakers towards us? Or maybe give Sadhguruji another mic because we can't
Not that I can't understand him, I can't even hear him.
I don't know about the battle between faith and reason, but wit certainly has its place in society.
Probably the microphones are arranged in such a way because anyway, even if you hear, you may not understand.
Thanks for the compliment, sir.
Gayatri, yeah, sir, it'll have come on.
So,
yeah, that's
Better.
now I'll repeat for you. You believing that you're in Nagpur is for sure belief. But you're in Goa is a reality. Whether you believe it or you don't believe it, that's how it is. So there is a difference between reality and belief. If you think whatever you believe is true, I want you to understand, we can make you believe just about anything. If you work hard enough on you, we can make you believe anything. And when you believe just about anything, that is what we are referring to as faith. Or it's passing off as religion or faith. We'll come to this. Now…
No, just a second. I'll have
Javed
to…
Saab,
No,
may I remain the
lecture.
moderator? Javed
I'll
Saab.
give the point, sorry.
Javed
I have
Saab.
to answer this. No
Javed
lecture.
Saab, let me be the moderator.
One point,
Javed Saab.
I'll answer it.
Yes, but let me… I will.
No parivachans.
I will. May
A
I…
belief
may I,
can be wrong.
May I
A
retain,
belief can be wrong,
sir,
maybe based on wrong logic.
The people
wrong
in the
reason.
audience, may I
it can be
retain-
corrected. But
Javed Sahab,
faith
just a
cannot
minute.
be corrected because it is not based on any logic.
May I retain the aesthetics? May I retain the aesthetics of this session? I really don't need anybody telling me that I'm not going to let him talk. I will let him talk. Can we please keep the aesthetics of this alive?
So this whole presumption and the way this is going is coming from a certain fundamental presumption. Because even when I met Javed Sahab last time, he was telling me that some guru told him not to use his mind. I do not know which guru said this. One thing is clear, the advice has been taken seriously.
Javed Sahab,
Why have you taken him seriously?
why have you taken him seriously?
I promise you, Guruji, I have never taken any guru seriously. I have not taken any guru seriously, I promise you that.